with this episode of Canvas Can is Monkeyboy is going to service the new transfer case. So, without any further ado, let's get started!
So, we've already taken out the thing that...
The drain plug.
The drain plug, yeah.
Yep. And so what we're going to do now, we are going to open this bottle of fluid. We're going to put our handy dandy little comfort little thingy bobber on there.
If you're doing this underneath like a dirty, something dirty, maybe like wear earplugs, because
Earplugs?
I'm getting a lot of dirt in my ear.
Well, that's because you got your kid. You got hurt ears. All right, so now what I want you to do, what we're going to do is we're going to take this hose, stick it in that hole right there, okay?
And pump it?
And pump it slowly. Hang on, man. There we go. Okay. Pump. What we're doing here, keep going. What we're doing here is we're pumping all the old nasty stuff out. Alright, let me do it.
Well, I wasn't trying to go too fast, because you said don't go fast.
Alright, see how it's all clear coming out now?
Yep.
That means we've gotten the vast majority of the nasty stuff out. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to take and put our plug
Back in.
back in. Yeah. Take our plug.
And then once we do that, do we like pump this in?
Uh-huh.
So add the oil?
We're going to add the oil.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I will get this tight.
So none drips out.
Now what you got to make sure you do here, buddy, when you're tightening this down, okay, you want to make sure you get a good tight on there. You don't want to get it so tight that you break it. Alright, we're good. Alright, so then you wipe this off.
Oh, I was about to give you the rag.
And come in here.
Pump it?
Pump. All right. I can't see because your head's in the way. That's okay. Hey, thanks for joining us today on this another epic adventure with Canvas Can and Monkeyboy. Hey, that should be the name of our channel. Canvas Can and Monkeyboy.
Yeah.
How about Canvas and Monkeyboy? Anyway, we'll figure something out. Anyways, hey, thanks for watching. I think my big melon got in the way, like Monkeyboy's melon's in the way right now. Can't see. But anyways, we serviced up the transmission, or the transfer case. We went ahead and deserviced it, serviced it back up, and then we flushed it with a little bit of new transmission, or new oil. That way, get some of the grime and gunk out of there. Then we serviced it back up. Took about 2.5 quarts. So we're out right on spot there with that. So rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell thingy right down over there, I guess.
On the bottom right.
Bottom right, which is right over here. Anyways, thank you guys for coming along with us with this adventure. Again, this is kind of something that we like to do together. He's getting more and more adventurous in the shop. So, you got anything to say, Monkey? Don't tell me. Tell me what you gotta tell them, man.
Leave a like or a dislike.
Subscribe! Subscribe, 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 subscribe. We're trying to break 50. You know what? As soon as we break 50, I'm gonna do a giveaway, a tool giveaway. I'm gonna give away a set of Tecton pick set. So if we can hit 50 subs, which is only 4 more subs, I'll do a tool giveaway. And it'll be all, what I'll do is I will take all the subs that we have, I'll put their name in a random, I'll assign each one a number, go to a random number generator, and we're going to just give it away, randomly give it away. So, pay attention, watch out, because you never know when we're going to hit that 50. Thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful day. And you know what? It's time to go to the house. What do you think, Monkey?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the house, edit some videos, play some video games, eat pizza or popcorn or junk food or whatever it is we do. Anyways, y'all have a blessed day.
Bye.
Later.
If Canvas can, you can.
What's the worst you gotta do?
Take it to the shop.
Exactly. Bye.